Today at Charlie's Foreign Car, we are diagnosing and fixing cars. This is a 2011 GL450 Mercedes, and the customer complaint is it's making a grinding noise, especially when he's accelerating up a hill, like from a stop sign. It makes this rapid, like rapping, clacking noise. Okay, so we found out that the problem lives within the transfer case. So with the transfer case still installed in the car, we removed the rear drive shaft and then we took the back transfer case half off while it was still installed. We found right here, you can look, see how much this chain moves right here? This chain is not good anymore. The car has 130,000 miles on it. What we did is we installed a new chain. So you can see the new chain, and now with the new chain installed, you can see how there's just very little movement. We didn't measure it, but there's like a ½ inch or 3/4 of an inch of up and down play, where on the old chain, it was a solid inch, inch and a half, and it was actually contacting the inner part of the transfer case. And that's what was making all that noise. And possibly also the gears were jumping over the chain. There wasn't any sign of that, so we didn't have to put new sprockets on it, but we put a new chain on it. We saved thousands of dollars because Mercedes doesn't offer any parts inside the transfer case. So what we did is we just had to go into the aftermarket. We found a chain, couple $100 compared to the way Mercedes sells. It's like $4,000 for the transfer case unit. I think it was $4,200. So we saved them a ton of money, and this car is good and it's back on the road.